Jiangsu Sunyi Machinery Company Limited, founded in 2011, is headquartered in Kunshan City, Jiangsu Province, China. It has Zhejiang Sunyi Machinery Branch, which is a national science and technology innovation enterprise. In July 2021, Sunyi Machinery has moved to his new factory with 4,200 square meters and has grown up as one of the leading manufacturer of the coffee capsule filling sealing machine and supplier of the whole packing solutions in China. It is a technologically innovative enterprise specializing in the research, development, manufacture, and sale of intelligent food packaging machinery equipment, packaging systems, and various automation control equipment. Sunyi Company has a team of professional R&D engineers with superior new product development capabilities, customized, designed, and manufactured all kinds of packaging machinery products for customers to provide a number of professional automated packaging equipment and intelligent supporting equipment for many well-known food enterprises at home and abroad. Set up after-sales service areas in Europe and America, Sunyi Machinery products has been delivered to over 50 countries, such as USA, Canada, Italy, Spain, Holland, France, Belgium, UK, Bulgaria, South Korea, South Africa, Thailand, Malaysia, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Colombia, etc. The company is relying on its own advantages, integrating external resources, optimizing internal management, and constantly developing and innovating and marching forward in the direction of business specialization and diversification of operations.